Hello and welcome. I'm going to guide you through this ALX project and many more to come. So please consider subscribing. It's the only way that you can motivate me to keep uploading more videos so that we can keep helping each other as software engineers. So straight to the project, we'll start by question 0, which is navigate to the root and create a directory named 0x01 Emacs. So let me get my sandbox, open my web terminal, all the shell if you like it, and I'm going to navigate to the root folder like that, guys. cd is the command to navigate where you want, and root is where we want to go to. So in this directory, they want me to do what? They want me to create a directory named this. I copy so that I can save time. Then the command, I can confirm. I can confirm my working directory by typing pwd into work directory. So in the root, I change. In the root, they want me to create a folder named 0x01. So I do make directory test Emacs. Then I can do an ls to confirm whether I've made directory in the root folder. You can see that it's here. So what's next? I check whether the code is correct. Very fast, you can see that the code is correct. The next question, they ask, what is the command line to open a file from within Emacs? And write your answer into the file root Emacs opening. So what I'll do, I'll change my working directory to there. And in this folder or a directory, they want me to create a file named opening. I copy. Search is the command to create a file. Then the file name. I can do an ls to confirm. And you can see that I've created a file named opening. Then in this file, I want to write the answer to the question, what is the command to open a file from within Emacs? So I echo c hyphen x space c hyphen f. This is the answer to the question, what is the command line to open a file from within Emacs? You write c-x space c-f. And where do I want to write this answer? I want it to write it in the file opening. Just to confirm, I can do a cut name of the file which is opening, see if the answer is in that file. And you can see cx space cf. Let's run the checker and see if our code is correct. A minute. I don't know why the checker is taking so long, but please let's give it some time. It's verifying the code. I think I'll have to refresh. Navigate to the question. Check the code. You can see that it ran and verified the code. We cross and go to the next question. The next question, what is the command to save a file? So we go and save this command to save a file in savings file in this directory. So I'm going to create touch. Let me refresh the sandbox. So cd root, then cd to this folder, copy, copy and paste. Then in this directory, I create a file named saving. I can do an ls to confirm. I can see it there. And I echo c hyphen x c. Then where do I want to save it? I want to write it in that file. I can cut saving so that I can just be able to see if I've written the answer. Now go back to my sandbox and check the code. Let's run the checker. You can see that it verified the code. The next question, what is the command to save a file? No, we've already answered that. What is the command to cut an entire line? And this command to cut an entire line, you're supposed to write it in this folder. Emacs, then create a file named touching. Okay, so into working directory, you can see that I'm in that folder. So I make a file called cutting. And in this file, I echo the answer, which is C hyphen small a, and I'm echoing this into cutting file. I can do a cutting just to confirm, guys, whether I've written the answer. You can see the answer here. Then I run the checker to check if my code is correct. Let's wait for the checker to load. It's running very slow, but it will definitely verify the code. You have to be patient sometimes. And if it persists, you are supposed to refresh the terminal. You can see we are good guys, we are good. So the next question, what is the command to paste? And this command, the answer, you are supposed to write it in this file, pasting this file, pasting. So we navigate and make a file named pasting. Do an ls just to confirm it's there. Then echo the answer, which is C hyphens C hyphen Y, capital C hyphen Y into pasting. We can cut, check if we've written the answer, then run the checker to verify our code. We're almost done, guys. This is a very simple task. So you see, we verified the code. So question number 5, what is the command to search forward? And write it in this file, which we will name searching. So I go create a file, name it searching, do an ls to check if I've created it. Then in this, it is here, guys. In this file, I will write the answer. So echo capital C hyphen S into this file searching. I can do cut, just confirm, and you can see that answer is right in that file. We go back to the checker to verify. It is. Let's give it some time to load. It is done, guys. That one did very fast. So the next question, what is the command to undo? And write it in this file, undoing that file. So we come back here, we do attach name of the file we want to create, it is undoing. We do an ls just to confirm it is right here. Then we write the command by echoing c hyphen small x, then u into this file I'm doing. We can do that just confirm. You can see that the command is right here. We go back to the checker and check our code. Check. We give it some time. Sometimes patience is the name of the game. You have to be patient with the machine. You can only tell it what to do, but not how fast to do. Just a minute. It's verifying the code. Just a minute. It's verifying the code. We are good, guys. It verified. So the last question, what is the command to quit Emacs? And this command to quit Emacs, write it in this file, which we'll name quitting. So we go back to the terminal, create a file, and name it quitting. Then in this file we can write the command to quit, which is c hyphen small x c hyphen small c. We can add name of the file just to confirm. Oh, sorry, I've not echoed in the file. So echo c x c c into this file quitting. So we can cut just to confirm if we've written the command. It's here. I don't know if you can be able to see. Then it's always advisable every time you finish with your terminal, you disconnect by typing exit. Disconnected. Let's go and check our code. This is the last question. I hope, guys, you've been able to follow through. If you've not been able to capture by the first go, you can repeat this tutorial as much as you want, because the goal is to understand these commands and apply. It's not just to get the answers correct. So for this and more of such videos, I encourage you to subscribe, because that is the only way that you can motivate me to keep uploading these files, so that we can be able to help each other along this ALX journey. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.